Hello Gearspace, this is Giovanni here at Frap Tools, and this is our second new models that we are showcasing this year, the 411. It is a very simple but powerful utility. It has 4 linear VCA with a semi-normal connection at the inputs, minus 6 dB switches for CV attenuation, and 2 mixed outputs derived from the popular 3-2-1 flip shift scale combined module. In this patch I'm using 2 of them. The first one controls the Kunsa filter through a single LFO coming from this filistry here, which is being modulated by 4 different CVs, but since the inputs are semi-normal, I just patch it to the first section, which is feeding also the other 3, and the outputs are controlled by 4 separate CVs. So I'm using a second LFO for the first modulation, and 3 gate sequences in a sort of multiplexer kind of fashion, and the minus 6 dB switches allow me to choose the modulation depth. So if I prefer to work with with 0 to 5 or 0 to 10 volts, and the result are controlling the 4 filters of the Kunsa, the amplitude of their VCA, so that I am controlling just one sawtooth output of the brain saw with 4 different filters, and I am moving between them and opening them and closing them by distributing the same LFO in a semi-randomized fashion. The second 411 is up here, and it is actually blending a sawtooth of the brain saw with a pulse-shaped waveform from the other oscillator patched down here, and the 2 sections are controlled by 2 envelopes of this filistry here, which is cycling in quadrature mode. So I am also modulating between the waveforms. I am using this output here, which is the unpatched output, which mixes only the channels that don't have their single output patched elsewhere. For example, for demonstration purpose, I used this output here of the sawtooth to show that the linear VCA can also be used for amplitude modulation. So if I mute this channel and open this other one, you will hear that I am now modulating the sawtooth of this oscillator with the sine wave of this other one through the 411 module. And these are just a few of the possibilities. It is a module designed to fit most of the patches and most of the workflows, and we really like how it blends into our setup. My name is Giovanni from Frap Tools, and thank you for watching.